Hello guys, this is Suraj. Today we will learn about principles of growth and development of childhood and adolescence. First, principles of continuity. The physical growth is the continuous process over a period of time and it is not reversible. Development is also continuous process but never stop. For example, an individual starting its life from a time cells development his body, mind and other aspect of the personality through a continuous system of development. Second, lack of uniformity in development or ratio. This is principles implies that the rate of growth and development is not uniform. For example, physical growth is more rapid in the early years of the life, but slow down in the later years of information. Again, the purity there is a sudden shades in the speed of the growth. One example again, an individual might to week up fifth standard suddenly sudden effort of she might start to study well from sixth standard on awards due to the self-interest responsibility it is. This is the rate of development is not informed. Third one, principles of individual differences. There exists a wide large of individual differences among children with respect to growth and development, even just they are put into same develop environment. For example, there is individual differences in the among the same age group students. There is individual difference is level of preparation, everything, the whole clear is the handled by the same teacher. And fourth one, principles of uniformity of patterns. It is also called principles of general to specific which follow a definite sequence or pattern in all the children. For example, in all phases of growth, the new learned body initially exhibits purposeless movements up to 3 months and later they gain central upper parts of the body and exhibits purposeful movements. Another example, development is seen in a child where the true is the development is basic cognitive structure to cognitive functioning seeing the environment. And fifth, principles of developmental duration, sorry, directions. Development of children takes place in the directions, namely first caudals and second proximal distance. First caudals, it is a development process from head to long individual axis. It is called caudals patch of development. For example, first the child gain control over his hand, head and arms. It is the legs so that he can stand. Okay. And second on proximal distance, it is the development process from central to far away. It is the called so. For example, control over fingers come after the control over the arms and the hand. On again, in proximate distance sequence development process from near to distant. And sixth principles of integration. Growth and development are joint product of both heredity and environment. For example, heredity is a system which is more strong in decoding the traits of an individual like eyeball colors, skin, corporate behavior of the child. On another example, the moral and intellectual facts, social facts preparing in the environment in which the child is learning will constantly influence and models his behavior. And seventh principle is principles of interrelated. Growth and development is various dimensions like physical, mental, social, etc. are interrelated and interdependent. Growth and development is an one dimension affects the growth and development of the child is other dimension. For example, children with alone average intelligence are generally found to possess above average physical and social development. Another example, children with poor physical development live to regress to emotional, social and intellectual development. Thank you.